I have logged into the system with the PMO Director's account. He's able to see all the notifications that were assigned to him from the procurement department. To complete his task, he can either click on the notification bell, which it will take him to the task directly, or click on Project Management module and then Projects. All the projects that he is a member in it will show up in his portal. For now we are working on FDKR Bill project, so click on the project name and then go to Desk tab. In this tab, the PMO Director is able to see all the sub-phases and the tasks that he is responsible of it. For you to know which task is yours, you can see this icon, which means that you are responsible for this subphase or the task. For completing the survey task, click on Survey. And then you can upload a file here by clicking on Upload File. You can change the category of the file and also write a note if needed, and then hit on the Upload button. You can tick off the file to proceed the process. You can write a comment in this comment section and send it to all the members that are a part of this task. In this case, the PMO Director is only responsible and manager of this task. That's why no member is shown in this drop-down list. You can change the status of the task by completing the task and ticking off this checkbox. After closing the task, you're not able to change anything about the task anymore, not even the status. You can complete all the tasks this way. PMO Director is able to add the estimated scope of the project by breaking down this subphase into some tasks. But first he needs to set a duration for this subphase, since the procurement team left the decision for him. For this purpose, click on this icon and then Edit and set the duration for this task. For example, I'll be choosing 5 days. And then click on Save. After that, he is able to make tasks on this subphase. This way, he is able to define the scope and the timing of the project. For this purpose, click on this icon next to the timetable subphase and add task. Give it a title. For example, I'll be choosing Planning as a title. You can choose the priority of this task. In this tab, you're only able to choose the offset duration and the duration, since the procurement team has set the start date and the deadline for the timetable subphase. For this case, I'll be choosing from first day. This task will progress, and it will take 2 days, for example. And you can write the scope of this task in this area, and then hit on Finish button when you're done. Now you can save and make another task. You can add another task the same way and call it SA, for example, site acquisition. Now I want this task to start from second day, and it will take 1 day, for example. Click on Finish. I have done more tasks the same way that I've made planning and site acquisition. Now I want to check the Gantt chart and see the progress. For completing the task, we can go back to the Desk tab and then complete this task by clicking on Timetable subphase and complete the subphase. Now you've done the job successfully. In this way, PMO Director has finished and completed all the tasks that were assigned to him, and the progress is shown here. Now I will log into the system with the head of Procurement Department's account for him to finish his last and most significant step, which is proposal. Click on Project Management, Projects, and then the project that you're working on, and then Desk tab. When you have received all the information, including the estimated timetable and budget, now you're able to prepare a proposal, which is the last step, and send it through an approval process with the related team. Here you're able to complete the proposal task by clicking on Proposal and upload the last file and hit on Upload button. And also change the status of the task from new to complete by clicking on the tick. The system will notify you that this task will go through a workflow